be back in.
Clear 526, 1913.
650 Central, I'll be out.
Clear 1917. 5242.
I'll be out with my pickup truck in front of Kmart. Could you have Vasha come this way, please?
Area Central 5253.
Central from 53, go ahead.
5242, out with a truck in front of Kmart, requesting you respond.
Okay, clear, heading from Walmart.
Clear. 1919. 831.
We clear Goldsworthy's around back to us, so swap out vehicles.
Clear 1920.
52. 5242, vehicle pursuit.
Clear, go with your location.
Kmart parking lot, heading towards Family Fair. The driver's going to be Brian Morgan. I think he's got a meth lab in the vehicle.
Clear, stand by the channel. Apartments, units, and stations. Crime is being cleared for 5242 in pursuit of a pickup truck in the Kmart lot. Please use COM for further traffic still advised. Central's clear at 1921. 5242, go ahead with your current location.
Eastbound Apple Street behind Wendy's.
Clear, eastbound Apple behind Wendy's. 53, you clear on that?
I'm clear, I'll be right behind 42. Central, Charles Henry Lincoln 5009, CHL 50009. Black Jeep pickup truck. 825 in Monroe.
825, take your traffic to COM, please. 42, we're clearing your traffic.
53, if he turns on his stare, I'm going to try to pit him right here. Clear. Central, we're northbound. Broadway, turned on to State Road. Westbound State Road.
Clear, you're westbound on State Road, off of Broadway.
825 to 52 units. I'm coming up on State from Airport. If you need to stick. Affirmative. You could let those out. I'd appreciate it. We're just coming up to the cemetery now. State Road. Just clearing the city limits.
Clear, westbound State Road, clearing the city limits. Should be approaching Hammond Road.
We're at State and Hammond now, still westbound State Road.
Clear, westbound from Hammond, 1923.
825, what are your speeds right now? 70. Clear. Central, we're going through the curves on Airport. Still give 825 an update of where we're at. Are you going to be able to get there in time to put the sticks out or not? I'm just coming up to the airport right now through the curves. Clear. We're still moving. We're at about 65 now, 70. Clear. Central from 5242, we're just coming into Algonquin Lake. Can you get K952 started this way if he's cleared up on his stop?
I believe he's going to have one under. Stand by, I'll check with him on that.
I do, but if 650 will take my arrest and wait for the we'll head that way.
State Road and the gaming.
Clear, State Road and Gaming, 1925. Central 825, what's your location?
I'm westbound on State, just off the airport right now. I'm in view.
Clear.
809 Central, I'm State and M37. I'm going to stand by here. Okay, one of the back cars, you just threw out something right at Iroquois Trail. Could one of you stop and see what it is? It looked like it was a receipt or maybe a box of Sudafed. He just purchased at Kmart and it was seen coming out of Family Fair. We're staying in Woodruff now. 825's out at Iroquois. It looked like it hit the center line, so it should be in the middle of the road. State Road west of Wood School, coming up to the center.
Clear, you're west of Wood School, approaching the Irving Cemetery. Also, he's going to be suspended indefinitely.
Clear, thank you.
52, he's also showing 310-9s in lanes.
Clear, State Road west of Daisy Lane.
Clear, State Road west of Daisy Lane, 1926.
825. It was empty battery packs. Clear, thank you. We're still westbound, coming up to Grange, I believe. Check that, Solomon. State, Solomon. Still westbound at State.
Clear, westbound, State from Sullivan, 1927.
He just dumped some kind of a powder out of a bag just before Grange, before the curve. Just dumped a bag. If you could pick that up just before Grange, it's going to be in the eastbound lane. 825 Central, I'll be on that as well. 4 city units are going to be out at Iroquois.
Clear, 1928.
Just through a box of pills before McCann, between McCann and Grange. It's going to be in the westbound lane if you can pick that up too. Upper.
Which way should K952 head for?
Heading north towards Middleville. We're heading that direction. Plate comes back on Riverbend. He just threw something else prior to just to check that just west of a small item. That last item is going to be before, going to be east of 6661 State Road. 6661 State Road, about 50 yards east of that address. Clear.
Central is 42. You want to see if we can get Middleville, set up some sticks if he has them at the village limit?
Yeah, that'd be great. We're State and Barnum. Still westbound.
Clear.
We're going to be northbound Robertson from State Road.
Clear, northbound.
42, we got one in custody, Robertson, north of State Road.
Clear. One under at 1930.
Central K952.
Go ahead.
I heard he's got one in custody. You, in case he needs help locating it. And 650 still my record and take the rest in.
Clear.
Central, if you could note, property recovered near Grange is a opened ice compressed pack, instant compressed pack.
Clear, opened instant compressed ice pack.
There's still some property outstanding, Central?
That's a firm. I'm State and McCann right now checking this area.
Okay.
K952, there should be some west of McCann on State and also near State and Barnum.
Okay.
Central from 5242.
Go ahead.
TX, there's a town.
42, your digital, I got TX 5206, and that's it.
Central 5206 is monitoring.
Clear.
Central from 5242.
Go ahead.
We're going to need a wrecker for a pickup truck. There's minimal damage to it. Any conventional or flat, that'll be fine. Break from or the K9. Do you want to go through this with your dog before I start searching it by hand, or because of lab stuff, you want me to do it by hand first?
Hand search is good. Which wrecker service?
Spencer's or Goldsworthy's is fine.
Okay. Goldsworthy is taking mine that I have to search later. I don't know if they can get both of them or not.
Central, could you have Spencer's start this way?
Affirmative.
Central 831.
Go ahead.
Property.
Clear. Spencer's has the ETA at 20 to 30.
Central 423.
423.
Secondary search of Iroquois Trail, State Road area, turned up no further. I'll be clear last and route back to the city.
Clear. 1938. Very Central 5242.
42 is doing a vehicle search.
Clear on vehicle search. Do you want us to have the city units check Apple Street for anything that was dumped?
If they could, please.
Clear. Break 423, 422. You clear on that?
I couldn't hear him, but I'm assuming just from your traffic, check Apple Street.
Affirmative.
Clear.
1938. Very Central 526. Wacom.
This is 511. Go ahead for 526.
If you gentlemen could stop by the ambulance barn, they have a couple questions they want to speak with you about.
Clear. Give us a couple seconds. We're in the office on GX1 interview.
Okay, clear. 1940.
650 on Wacom.
650, go ahead.
Goldsworthy's has a vehicle. I'll be en route to the jail.
Clear. 1940.
952.
K952.
I need you to put a hold on that pickup truck for my arrest there. I don't know if you keep a record log or something, just to note it on there.
We do, and I will. 1941.
$650 K952.
Go ahead.
Record's been advised, reference the hold. He said he's going to be taking it to the Hastings lot.
Okay. He didn't happen to say if I could do that tonight, did he?
Negative.
Okay.
K952, you're on prime, but go ahead.
809, 825 on prime.
Yes, sir.
Are you done collecting evidence where you're at? We're going to proceed up towards Barnum, check a little bit farther west. But as soon as we're done with that, yes, we will. Clear. What do you have, sir? Trooper McNabney just needs the evidence. Okay, clear. Sancho 511 on Wacom.
511.
831. He specifically listed the 6661 address as a throw-out location.
Clear on 661, 1949.
K952's out on Robertson.
Clear, 1949. Very Central, K952.
Go ahead.
Spoke with Goldsworthy's. They said that you will be able to search the vehicle this evening at the Hastings lot.
Clear, and thanks for checking on that.
You're welcome. 1950. Gary Central 5242. Can we return normal traffic to Prime?
5242, go ahead, return traffic.
Clear. 1950. Gary Central to all departments, units, and stations. State units are secure, Robertson and Crane, 100 from the pursuit. Please take all your normal traffic back to Prime. Central's clear at 1951.
Central 423.
423.
Both units checked Apple Street, didn't locate anything. I'll be clear last.
423 from 5242.
Go ahead, sir.
He walked out of Family Fair and walked towards Kmart. His vehicle was parked kind of in front of the pharmacy area. Then he kind of smacked to the parking lot before he ended up stopping in front of Kmart the first time. Could you just run through that lot and see if you can see anything? I got something I don't have that I think Kimball recovered, because I don't have any batteries. He recovered the packaging. If you could check that out, I'd appreciate it.
Sure, en route.
Neighbor, Central behind me.
825, go to 108. 650 Central, I'll be at the jail.
Clear. 1958.
825 5242. 825 5242, go ahead.
At that 6661 address, what did it look like, if you can recall?
It was small, and it was east of there. I don't know. I think the one before that was the ammonium nitrate from the cold pack, because that was, it hit my windshield. It was bouncing all over the place, so it wasn't anything that big. Just like a small bag. It might have just been some meth that you're going to have a hard time finding, so if you can't locate it by now, you probably can disregard.
Okay, clear. Yeah, we're going to proceed up to Barnum and check that area. But we've walked both sides of the road near that address for a good several hundred yards. UTL have anything so far?
Okay, everything he threw, it appeared that it stayed pretty much in the center of the road unless a car ran over it and moved it, but it all came out the driver's window and stayed pretty much in the center.
Okay, clear.
815, very Central, clear the office.
Clear. 2001.
Central 825.
Go ahead.
For the CFS, if you could also add, just east of Barnum Road, located two balls of goldish orange chore boy in the center of the road, as indicated by 5242 as a toss-up point.
Clear. 2006.
09 Central, clear the assist to MSP.
Clear. 2007.
Yeah.
5242, go ahead.
53 is going to be transported into the jail. I'm going to meet up with 825. Can you tell me how many prior suspensions Mr. Morgan's got? Does it require plate confiscation or not?
Negative. On the plate confiscation, he has no prior 904s.
Clear, thank you.
2009.
From 423.
Go ahead.
I didn't locate anything in the lots there. 422 and myself checked it. Anything else around the area? We checked Apple Street also.
No, that should be good. I appreciate it. Thank you.
No problem. Break Central 423. I'll be cleared last.
Clear. 2009.
650 Central, jail, southbound.
2010.
650 K952. Go ahead. Just wanted to say thanks again for the help.
Not a problem, sir.
Central 5253.
5253, go ahead.
Can you fax Brian's information over to the jail, his warrant information?
Affirmative.
Central K952.
Go ahead.
Go to Goldsworth.
Clear. Goldsworthy and Hastings at 2012.
25 Central.
Go ahead.
All evidence was turned over to 5242. Myself and 30 want to be clear of this. The main route to an address on Yankee Springs Road. Attempt pickup on 1010.
Clear. 2013.